The beauty industry bombards us with these expensive skincare products promising to deliver collagen, the answer to our plump, hydrated, glowy skincare prayers. But the truth is that these pricey creams and serums often fall short. They can't actually penetrate the skin's waterproof barrier to deliver those promised benefits. So, what do you need to do instead? Well, you need to nourish your skin from the inside out. And this episode is all about how. Welcome back to my channel where I post videos every week empowering you to biohack hormone balance in your 30s and 40s. I'm Stephanie Holland, creator of the Body Brain Reset, the ultimate guide to resetting your body and brain and feeling like yourself again in your 30s and 40s. It's the best friend's guide to perimenopause. Now tap that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest tips and strategies that me and my guests have for you every single week, and watch my free masterclass on how to reset your body and brain in your 30s and 40s over at bodybrainreset.co/masterclass. Today's episode might just revolutionize your skincare routine forever. In part, yes, what you put on your skin to take care of it every day, but also what skincare actually means to you. Because fruit, when you eat it, is scientifically proven to boost your skin's own collagen production, something that topical skincare actually cannot do. So yes, you heard me right. What you eat can have a profound impact on your skin, particularly when it comes to fruits that nourish your skin from the inside out. I'm going to explain how the hormonal fluctuations of perimenopause that starts in our 30s or 40s and sometimes even earlier actually leads to a drop in our skin's natural collagen production, causing those dreaded fine lines and wrinkles. And of course, there's nothing wrong with fine lines and wrinkles, except that they are a signal that your skin needs nutrients. So we're going to discuss why expensive skincare isn't the solution and how you can actually use the power of fruit to naturally boost your skin's collagen production. So stick around, because by the end of this episode, you are going to know exactly how to feed your skin for that radiant, youthful glow. So as I mentioned, at some point in your 30s and 40s, your levels of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone are going to start to fluctuate more dramatically than usual and then plummet, wreaking havoc all over your body and brain. Now, that's because testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone are our hormonal superpowers. They're actually responsible for optimizing the function of every single cell, tissue, and organ in our body. So when these fluctuations happen, it can really feel like our body and brain have gone haywire, and it can wreak havoc on our skin. Why? Why would it wreak havoc on our skin? Well, because estrogen is like our body's built-in skincare system. Estrogen magically stimulates the production of hyaluronic acid, which is our natural hydration gel, and collagen, which acts as the skin's scaffolding, so keeping it firm and plump. So when estrogen levels drop, our skin can start to feel dry, it can lose its dewy glow, and it can show more fine lines and wrinkles. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology highlights that reduced estrogen leads to decreased collagen and hyaluronic acid production, resulting in sagging and wrinkles. Another study in the British Journal of Dermatology found that estrogen loss accelerates skin aging by reducing skin thickness and elasticity. Imagine your skin is like a cushion. When the stuffing, aka the collagen and hyaluronic acid, is full, the cushion looks plump and smooth, but as the stuffing diminishes, the cushion starts to sag and wrinkle. Wrinkles are simply a signal that your skin needs nutrients. So by understanding this, we can better appreciate the role of diet and lifestyle in maintaining our skin's health, especially during the hormonal fluctuations of perimenopause. So now let's talk about why those expensive skincare products that contain collagen might not be as effective as the makers claim. Now, the outer layer of our skin, the epidermis, is an incredibly effective waterproof barrier designed to keep substances out. This means that collagen molecules in skincare products can't penetrate deeply enough to make a significant impact on your skin's natural collagen levels. So, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science demonstrated that topical application of collagen doesn't effectively penetrate the skin's deeper layers and only provides temporary surface hydration that lasts around 24 hours. Another research study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science concluded that while topical products can improve the appearance of skin's surface, they cannot replace the collagen lost from deeper layers due to aging. So think of your skin as a waterproof raincoat. No matter how much you pour water or expensive creams on the surface, it won't penetrate to the inner, deeper layers. And this is why many high-end skincare products fall short of their promises. Yes, they hydrate and nourish the surface of the skin, but they can't provide that deep, lasting benefit that our skin truly needs from within. Now, there is one skincare solution renowned for its unique ability to penetrate the dermal layers of the skin, making it an effective moisturizer and carrier for other beneficial compounds. It's called jojoba oil. And those of you who love aromatherapy and essential oils and carrier oils will probably already know about this. Research shows that jojoba oil mimics the effects of estrogen on the skin, helping to boost collagen production and maintain skin elasticity. This makes jojoba oil an excellent natural alternative for supporting skin health, particularly during hormonal fluctuations like perimenopause, because it literally carries the nutrients of whatever you blend with it right into the dermal layers of the skin and into the bloodstream to nourish skin cells from within. Now, there's a whole episode on essential oil blends that boost collagen linked above, so watch that next. So if all of these commercial products whose advertising we're bombarded with every single day, every single minute of the day on Instagram, if they're not the answer, then what is? Well, the answer lies within through the nutrients and hydration we get from our diet. Our skin's health and appearance are deeply influenced by what we eat. When we consume fruits and other foods rich in essential nutrients, these nutrients are absorbed during digestion and transported to skin cells via the bloodstream. This process helps to nourish and hydrate our skin from the inside out, supporting the production of collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. Now, a study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that a diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals significantly enhances skin health and collagen production. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that consuming fruits high in vitamin C and other antioxidants can protect the skin from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to skin aging. So, fruits like oranges, apples, bananas, and red grapes are particularly beneficial. They deliver vital nutrients directly to your skin cells. Vitamin C, for instance, is crucial for collagen synthesis. That means collagen production. When you eat an orange, your body absorbs the vitamin C, which then supports collagen production in your skin. Apples contain pectin, which detoxifies and rejuvenates the cells that make the collagen. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6 and also aid in collagen formation, while red grapes provide additional vitamin C and antioxidants for loads more of the above just mentioned. So through digestion, these nutrients hydrate and nourish your skin cells, helping to maintain elasticity and a beautiful skin appearance. It's a really holistic approach that ensures that your skin gets exactly what it needs from the inside out. Basically, that means you can literally feed your skin the essential nutrients it needs to produce its own collagen. So let's dive into some of the fruits we've just mentioned that are particularly effective in boosting natural collagen production. So oranges, they are packed with vitamin C. They are a powerhouse for collagen formation. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which helps keeps your skin firm and youthful. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher vitamin C intake is associated with a lower likelihood of a wrinkled appearance. Then we have apples, good old apples. These fruits contain pectin. It's a type of fiber that helps detoxify the body and rejuvenate the cells that actually produce the collagen. So research from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology shows that apple extracts can help to stimulate collagen production and improve skin health. And then we have our beloved bananas, rich in vitamin B6. Bananas support collagen formation. They also contain antioxidants that help combat the signs of aging. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology highlighted that bananas can contribute to skin health by providing essential nutrients and hydration. And last but not least, red grapes. These are another amazingly, brilliantly clever source of vitamin C and antioxidants. The polyphenols in red grapes help protect the skin from oxidative damage, which can degrade collagen. Research published in the title called Food and Function also suggests that grape extracts can enhance skin elasticity and hydration. And a bonus tip is just to squeeze fresh lemon juice or lime juice on top of your fruit salad for an extra boost of vitamin C and anti aging superpowers. Lemons and limes are both rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and of course, flavor, which can further enhance collagen production and protect your skin from damage. So, how much realistically do you need to eat to see the benefits? Well, all I'm going to invite you to do is simply chop up one orange, one apple, one banana, and one cup of grapes. Put it all into a bowl, cover it with fresh lime or lemon juice, and have it as an afternoon snack every day. Do that for a week or 2 weeks or a month, and then do it twice a day. There's no upper limit to fruit intake. In fact, your body and brain need around 200 grams of glucose a day for its energy requirements, and so therefore it's pretty impossible to overdose on fruit. What makes this even more effective, though, is to stop eating the foods that cause accelerated aging in our body and brain, and to stop the dietary patterns that accelerate aging by causing things like oxidative stress and inflammation, which I'm going to cover in future episodes. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for those episodes. So here's what you need to remember. 1. Perimenopause that strikes in our 30s or 40s and sometimes earlier causes a decline in estrogen levels, leading to decreased production of collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid in our skin, which then results in fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. 2. Expensive skincare products containing collagen can't penetrate the skin's waterproof barrier effectively. They may provide temporary surface hydration, but they don't really address the deeper layers where collagen is produced. And 3. Consuming fruit rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, pectin, and antioxidants can boost your skin's natural collagen production. Oranges, apples, bananas, and red grapes are particularly effective at nourishing your skin from the inside out. By focusing on a diet rich in these fruits, and of course other fruits as well, you can naturally enhance your skin's health and appearance, making fruit actually a far more effective and cost-effective and sustainable approach to skincare rather than relying solely on expensive skincare products that don't really do what they claim to do. So remember, beauty really does truly come from within. And what you eat plays a crucial role in maintaining and creating a radiant and youthful glow. So keep cleansing, hydrating, and nourishing on the outside. But remember to fill yourself with fruit and nourish yourself from the inside out as well. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next episode.